I just wanted to let you know that the barcode scanner cable is detachable from the scanner. So if you've got a scanner that's not working, the cable on almost all scanners, whether it be USB or otherwise, the cable does come out. And a lot of customers don't know this, and they come in to purchase a new scanner, but we always replace the cable first to see if it's a faulty cable, which in a lot of cases it is. You'll see on this one there's just a little hole at the bottom which you can use to pop out the cable. I always use a paper clip. It's a bit stronger, but you can use a pin or anything that'll go in there. But the paper clip always fits usually, and once you put it in, you just push it slightly hard and you hear the click. Oh, you hear the click, and then you just pull it out. And then you can replace the cable with a new cable. Now you can do this and you can purchase it online, or you can ask your POS provider. If they're trying to sell you a new scanner, you can always ask them, can we actually check the cable first? And if it's only a cable, it might be only $20, $30 compared to a scanner. I mean, if it's a new model of scanner, you're talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars, right? And then it clicks back in just like that. So, I mean, we had this a few times recently, so I thought maybe it would be worth sharing. It might save you some money. It's at least worth checking with your POS provider, or you could even try it yourself online if you knew the model of the scanner. So that's all. Hopefully that helps. If it did help, please like and subscribe. It really does help. Thank you.